Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to use your calendar app. But before we do that, I want to show you what it looks like on your calendar page. So let's go over here into the calendar page. Now it looks like your calendar can be edited right here, but that's not the case. If you go into the wrench over here, you'll see this is just a text element, just like this is a text element. And all I did is put a little piece of short code right here, and then I click Save. Now that short code was given to me from the calendar app. So we don't do any type of editing on the calendar here on this page. But if you wanted to change the font of this text or add other things to the page, you would have to come to this page to do that. But if you want to do anything on your calendar, you have to go through the app to make all your changes there. And that's important to know, which is why I showed you. So let me go ahead and cancel this and then go back into your dashboard. Now we were just here in the calendar page. What we need to go to is the calendar app over on the side. And you'll see here that you have options. If you click it, the options will go right below it right here. And it will bring you right to the dashboard. Now this is your calendar dashboard. You can see you have a dashboard here and a dashboard there. This is your admin dashboard. This is your calendar dashboard. So if I click this dashboard, it brings me back to the admin area. And then if I go over here and click this dashboard, it brings me to the calendar dashboard. And on this dashboard, you will see that you have the same links here as you do across the top here. And I'll go through those with you today. Now on the dashboard, you can read through this, but I'll be showing you all this stuff in the video, so you don't have to if you don't want to. The first thing we'll go to is events. Now you can hit events here or events here. And you can see that I have a test event here. Now what you can do is you can come over here and click edit. And you can change all the information in this test event. Now when you edit an event or if you create an event, all of these menu items are for the event that you're working on right now. So each time you create an event, these are all the settings for that event. It's pretty self-explanatory. This would be your event name and this is the event content. Now this content will be displayed on the calendar in a link. So if you have any public information on your event, you can put it right here for all your visitors to see. The next option here is date and time. Now the date and time that you put here, the start date and the end date, will gray out those days on your calendar on the website. So all your visitors can see that those days are grayed out. Then over here you'll see location and venue. And this website only has the Timbers right now. But if you wanted to add another location, let's say the Timbers has an off-site event somewhere, you can go into the locations right here, type in the new location right here. I'll go new location. You don't have to do anything else but hit add new event location right here. And then you'll see it pops up right here with nothing in the description because I didn't put anything in the description. But if you wanted to put, let's say, an address like I did with the Timbers here, you can put that all in the description. You can also edit this right here, and you can put the description here at a later date if you'd like, and then click Update. All right, so then when we go back into the events, and we click Edit, then we click on Location and Venue, you can come over here and click on this, and you can pick the new location that I just created. The next option is Organizer. And that works exactly the same way as locations. You come up over here into organizers, and then you can add all your event organizers right here. Let's say you have DJ ABC. Add new organizer. Then you can come back over here into events. Then when we edit this, we can go over to the organizers. And when you click on this, you'll see DJ ABC is right there. And you can add that to the information for this event. The next is the event type. Now the Timbers has an event form, and on their event form, they have a bunch of different types of events. And what I did is I took all those events and I pre-made them right here. So when you go to event type, you will see that you can choose them right here. If there's a new event type, you just go right over here to type, add the new type right here, and then click add new event type. Exactly the same as you did the organizers and the locations. It's all pretty simple. Okay, next we click event color. Now this is the color that will show on the calendar. So if you wanted to color coordinate your events on the calendar, you can do that. Over here is an image. Some events are put on by bloggers or somebody with a logo, you can put their logo in here, or you can put your own logo in here. But once you go through these, your event is all set up on your calendar. And it gets really quick after you do a couple. All you do is put the name, the content, choose a few things, and you're done. You click publish right over here. Now let's say you're halfway through building this event and you get called away on a business call or something. You can come over here and click save draft. And then when you go over to your events, you'll see that there's a draft here waiting for you to finish. Now, if the event is past, you can save past events as drafts if they're repeat customers. And then when you go in here to edit, you can keep all their same information and just change the date and times. That way you don't have to enter in all that information again, and the new date and times will be grayed out on your calendar on the website. Now, if the event is past and they're not a regular customer, you can come over to the cogwheel over here and you can click delete right here. Let's say you've been collecting events for months and you want to delete about 10 at the same time. You just check the 10 that you want to delete, come up to the bulk action, click delete, and then click apply. And it will delete all 10 of them at the same time. That way you won't have to click delete 10 times. Okay, so let me go ahead and delete this one right here. And it's deleted. Now the entire calendar all year is open on the website. If we get a visitor right now, whatever day they want is available. So if you don't have any events here, you create your first event here or here. If you already have an event created, you won't see this white box. You will actually see the event. Then if you want to create a second event, you just click this create button right here. So let me go ahead and click that right now and create a brand new event since I deleted what was here. I'll click create. Right now this is in draft status because I have not published it. The event name, let's put Johnson's graduation. You can put anything you want in here about Johnson's graduation. Then we'll come over here to the event time. Now when you click on this, it will show you the date that we're on right now. So let's say they want to schedule this somewhere in August. The way to change months is just to go over here until you see the square highlighted. You can go back and forth just by highlighting these squares. There were in July, there were in August. Let's say they wanted to start August 12th. And they want to lease all the way to August 16th. We can go ahead and start this at any time. We'll do 8 o'clock p.m. And I just click the P for it to go to p.m. End date, let's say it ends at 5 o'clock p.m. Then the location is going to be at the Timbers. Organizer, DJ ABC is going to be organizing this thing. The event type is a private event. The event color, I'm just going to leave that blank. Upload an image. I'll go over to the media library and I'll just grab an image of the Timbers. And then I'll click publish. And it's published. Now if I come over to the events, you'll see Johnson's graduation is right here. So now let's go look at the website and see it on the calendar. So if we go to the website, we'll come over here to the calendar. And we see that nothing is grayed out this month, so let's go over to the next month. Nothing is grayed out here either, so let's go over to August. And there it is. It's grayed out just the days that we had Johnson's graduation. You click on one event, it says Johnson's graduation right there. And if you click on that, it gives you all the information that you would have put into the details. And that's how you create, edit, and delete events on this calendar. So let me go back over here now. And because this is a fake event, I'm going to go ahead and delete it. There we go. The calendar's open again and ready for the next event. Let me go delete that fake location. The new location. Delete. Okay. Gone. Then let me go back, go to the organizers, delete DJ ABC because that's a fake organizer. Delete. Okay, gone. Then we go back to the type, and I did not create any fake types in here. These are all real types, so I'll go ahead and just leave all of them. And now the last thing to show you is the settings. These are the settings for the look and feel on the web page. Remember that I showed you there was some short code there? Well, I got that short code right here. This is the short code generator. And unless you want to change anything, you really don't need to worry about all this stuff here. Here's the appearance. And this is the grayed out blocks. And that's pretty much it. The rest is self-explanatory. If you go over to the dashboard here, I did want to show you that there is a support tab here. Now this is the support ticket for WP Hobby. They are the developers for the calendar app. So if you have any issues with your calendar, you can send me a ticket over here on the dashboard and just explain the problems that you're having, and I can go ahead and contact them and do all the coding and configuration on the back end to make sure it's working smoothly. So I wanted to show you that so you did not hit the support ticket right here thinking that you were going to contact me. That is not my support ticket right there. Okay, and that is it for your calendar. If you have any questions, go ahead and submit the form on your dashboard down here, and I'll reply to you as soon as I can. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.